Chapter 15. Damages. 1. For a fire which damages property, Exodus 22:6, restitution is required. 2. For injury to a neighbor, Leviticus 24:19, restitution. 3. For stealing, Exodus 22:1-5, Leviticus 6:2-7. Here we have included in Leviticus 6:2-7 false swearing, breach of trust, and oppression of a neighbor. 4. For killing an animal belonging to another, Leviticus 24:18 and 21. 5. For one animal killing another, Exodus 21:35 and 36. 6. For animals used as bailment or borrowed, etc., Exodus 22:10-12. 7. For animals that kill a person, Exodus 21:28-32, 35 and 36, restitution. The animal shall be killed. If the animal has a record of being dangerous and has not been kept penned, then the owner also must die. 8. If an animal falls into an uncovered pit, the owner of the pit must make restitution. Exodus 21:33 and 34. 9. For the loss of borrowed property, Exodus 22:14, restitution. 10. A thief caught at once with the stolen animals in hand shall pay double restitution. Exodus 22:4. 11. An animal that escapes into another man's field and inflicts loss, the owner must make double restitution also. 12. Where a man is guilty of a breach of trust, he shall make a trespass offering at the sanctuary, restore in full the principal, and add 20%. Leviticus 6:1-5. This same penalty applies to wrongs committed against anyone. If the offended man be dead and have no kin, quote, let the trespass be recompensed unto the Lord, even to the priest, end quote. Numbers 5:6-8. It is specified to the priest so that it becomes public. Without this, there is no public awareness that the wrong has been righted. It is clear from this how basic restitution and restoration are to God's law and will. The word forgive in modern languages has an emotional connotation, whereas biblically it is juridical. It means normally that charges have been dropped because satisfaction has been rendered, but in the sentence from the cross, Luke 23:34, it means, quote, defer the charges for the time being, for they know not what they do, end quote.